Hi everyone, you're all welcome to my channel once again. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all depending on where you're watching this video from. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The name of my channel is Learn Maths with me. So today I have a diagram before us. The diagram says that we should find the value of x. We have a diagram PQR, BA. We have 2x, we have 3x, and we have x. So we are asked to find the value of x. Now, if you have been following my channel, the first thing you are going to do is to say solution, right? So you say solution. Now, after writing solution, it means you are now ready to provide solution to the question. Please don't forget, I have other videos on my channel. You can go and watch them, right? Now, let's continue. So you redraw the diagram again. You draw the diagram again. Sorry, my diagram may not be fine because so you draw the diagram again, right? So here is P, here is Q, and here is R, is B, here is A. So here we have here to be 2x, you have here to be 3x, and we have this spot to be x itself. So in this diagram, we are asked to find the value of A. So how are we going to find the value of A? What approach are we going to take? Please watch the video to the end so that you not miss any step. All right. Now if you look at this line, PQ is perpendicular to QR. Are you getting it? PQ is perpendicular to QR. So if PQ is perpendicular to QR, it means that the angle inside this place, inside this full diagram, is 90 degrees. Do you get it? And now let me explain it for your understanding. For example, you have something like this. I see. Now you have, let's say here, coil A, coil B, and coil C. This diagram and this diagram are almost the same thing. Okay, for your understanding, let's put a diagonal like this. Can you see now that this diagram and this diagram are the same thing? And A is perpendicular, A is perpendicular to BC. So it means that the angle here is what? 90 degrees. So it is also equivalent to this particular one. So here is 90 degrees. So it means that everything inside this place is equal to what? 90 degrees. If that is well taken, now let's continue. If PQ, say PQ is perpendicular to QR. All right. Therefore, PQR equal to what? Equals to 90 degrees. Are you getting it? PQR equals to 90 degrees. This sign represents what? Right angle triangle. That is this point. It means that the 90 degree is at this point, at this Q. Are you getting it? That's why I have PQR. This is a right angle what? Triangle, and it's equal to 90 degrees. Are you getting it? So if that is well taken, it means that everything inside this diagram is equal to 90 degrees. Now let's continue. So you now say 2x plus 3x plus x equals to 90 degrees. So you sum the x together since they are all same family. 2 plus 3 will give you 5 plus 1x will give you 6. So we have 6x equal to 90 degrees. So x, which is what we are looking for, equal to 9 all over 6. 9 all over 6. So x equals to 90 all over 6. Now press on your calculator. 90 all over 6 will give you 15 degree. So the final answer is x equals to 15 degree. So that is the value of x in the diagram. Now let me give you a brief explanation once again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The name of my channel is Learn Maths with me, clearly written above. Now we have a diagram like this, and in the diagram we are asked to find the value of x. So if you have been following my channel, the first thing you are going to do before providing a solution to a problem, you say what? Solution. Now when you say solution, it means you are now ready to solve the problem. So now look at the diagram. This is the diagram. It means that PQ is perpendicular to QR. Now compare this diagram to this diagram. They are all the same. I see. So if you join P to R, you'll find out that the diagram will now become a right angle triangle. An angle inside a right angle triangle is equivalent to 90 degree. So if that is well taken, it means that PQR is equal to 90 degree. Look at this sign. This sign represents right angle or triangle, that is PQR. The right angle triangle, which is 90 degree, is at what? Q. That is how we have this sign on Q. So everything inside this diagram is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, you will sum 2x plus 3x plus x equal to 90 degrees. I see. So 2x plus 3x plus x will give you 6x equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, 90 degrees all over 6 degree, all over 6 will give you 15 degree. So our final answer is 15 degree. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.